2018 midterm election results are expected to have an impact on the stock markets.
Craig Bolanos, CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group, joins us now on the phone with more on what you need to know. Good morning, Craig.
Hey, good morning. You know, everyone's going to need to get some sleep, but it's been an exciting 48-hour news cycle.
Absolutely. So for you, we got a few notes yesterday, and you kind of predicted that gridlock is not necessarily, it's not a negative thing in terms of the markets. Is that right?
No, gridlock is oftentimes celebrated by markets, but this morning, as the election results come in on everyone's TVs, all the traders are already set to go, Wall Street and investors got what they expected, and that is a welcome relief from some events that have occurred going back to Brexit in the UK and going back to the November 16 presidential election when the unexpected occurred and caught a lot of traders and investors flat-footed.
What is your advice for investors this morning?
Well, I think what everybody should do is wake up and understand that whether your guy, whether your gal won or lost, the world is still here. The sun is going to come up in the morning. And it's a you're seeing the futures in the market firm while we're speaking right now, Dow up over 200 points. So I think investors should just use this as an opportunity to reconnect with their long-term goals and make sure their asset allocation, their risk profile between stocks and bonds is still where it needs to be in order for them to be successful.
Craig, the last time we spoke with you, I think it was a couple months ago, we saw so much volatility in October. Should we expect to see more of that again? I know you've always made the point that you have to expect to see some volatility if you're going to invest.
Well, you're exactly right. You know, but there's a seasonality to the midterms, and there's a seasonality to the month of October. It takes billing as the most volatile month for a lot of historical precedent with all these confluences that come together. But if I were to look forward, I would clearly expect there still to be some volatility over policy, some other things that are here. But I think we just entered a seasonality where the market typically firms for the rest of the year after the midterm, and I call it the 87% miracle, which is 87% of the time, the remaining portion of the year and going into January is positive for investors' 401k plans.
All right, Craig, we appreciate your time this morning. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.